In this tutorial, I will show you everything I know about NGL hints and how to use them and which kind of hints you can see when you upgrade. So yeah, let's just dive into it. So here's NGL app. And what it does, basically, here you just copy a link and then you can just share it on Instagram story or whatever. And then you will start receiving messages in your NGL inbox. Some of these messages will be bots by default. So if you see, in short, if you see this send with love from Team NGL message, it means it's from a bot. But then if you just go and see some red jiggling button who sent this, it means it's from the person. Then if you just tap this button, these are the hints you will be able to see. So as you can see, I just upgraded. It costs like, I think, $7 per week, so not per month, per week in US. And then you can see a location, you can see phone, you can see time sent, you can see software, you can see carrier, and NGL ID. So these are main 6 hints which you can see after upgraded to NGL Pro, and that's it. So you won't be able to see Instagram username, for example, or just full name of the person or some other direct hints. No, this is only that, what you can see here. That's what it is. And then in some cases, I just screenshotted it. Like you can see this also, they are friends. So here in the bottom, you see like additional hint. You can see their friends, and then you can just tap see friends, and then you will see few usernames which are basically Instagram profiles with and this person is friends on them, I guess, on Instagram, I guess. So yeah, that's what it is. So this can give you an idea who sent the message, but of course it's not like a definite idea. So yeah, unfortunately, that's everything you get. And so yeah, you probably need to use some additional tools like Instagram Analytics or some other tools just to basically narrow down the people. Yeah, like for example, you see like 10 people checked out your like NGL message in the story, but then like, and then you also using these hints, and then you can say, okay, out of these 10 people, who is located in this city, who might have this phone and stuff like that. And yeah, yeah, a lot of people are asking like, is there like some kind of NGL ID search or NGL ID library? No, it doesn't exist. You can't search friends by their like NGL ID in the app. So no, it's not possible. So yeah, that's basically what it is, what you have here. Yeah, even if you upgrade and then you can't see the full name, the exact details, the full Instagram username, you can't search NGL ID on Instagram, so it's just not possible. So that's what it is. Hope that's helpful.